English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 8. Responses to being surprised. I won the lottery yesterday. How would you reply? What would a native say? No way. No way. He's getting married. What's the more natural reply? What would people usually say? Really? Really? I got a perfect score on the test. What would friends say? What do people actually say? That's awesome. That's awesome. I met a celebrity today. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? You're kidding. You're kidding. It suddenly started snowing. What would you say here? What's the natural response? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The tickets are already sold out. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Seriously? Seriously? I heard he's quitting his job. What's a natural reply? How would a native answer? I had no idea. I had no idea. I found my wallet. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? That's great. That's great. I missed my flight. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? That sucks. That sucks. I dropped my phone. Here's another common reply. What would you say? Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm moving abroad next month. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? That's amazing. That's amazing. He proposed. How would you show surprise? What do people actually say? For real? For real? It's supposed to be 40 degrees today. What would you say when you're shocked? How would you say it? No kidding. No kidding. We actually won. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? That's incredible. That's incredible. The baby was born. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? Wow, congratulations. Wow, congratulations. No way. No way. Really? Really? That's awesome. That's awesome. You're kidding. You're kidding. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Seriously? Seriously? I had no idea. I had no idea. That's great. That's great. That sucks. That sucks. Are you okay? Are you okay? That's amazing. That's amazing. For real? For real? No kidding. No kidding. That's incredible. That's incredible. Wow, congratulations. Wow, congratulations. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.